Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So I'm back in the chaos. This time we're indoors. It's been raining like every weekend. I got this actually like a week ago. I just haven't had time to do the unboxing. Again, I have a behind the scenes 360 video that'll be coming after this. I started it actually a little bit before showing this. You can see the little ones and all the craziness. They're running around everywhere in the 360 camera. If you're not familiar with Rescue Box, it's a monthly subscription for your dogs. It comes with toys and treats. Most of the proceeds, I don't know how much of the proceeds actually go to rescue dogs, which is really cool of them. That's how they have it on the front. That's the different companies they work with. So, here's the chaos. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you can see all of this. So if you don't see me in the camera the whole time, I apologize. Because, well,
this is my favorite.
This is the rescue.
Baby.
I know, that's the little Ash.
The crazy
This is like Ash's twin. Right? Okay, they obviously don't want that. Here you go. So the first thing it comes with is a teddy. Hold on. First thing it comes with is like a teddy bear looking toy. I'm trying to remove all the tags because this came with a lot of tags on it. I'm not a fan of when things come with like too many tags. Do you have scissors? Do you have scissors? It has a tag on it. I can't get it. Oh, now I got it. Ah! Look at this little one.
I know this one's ragged.
Alright, so the first thing, I'm trying not to step on any. Look. So it's like a crinkly. It's got squeakers in it. I don't know if any of them want to play with this or not, but that's what it comes with, the long legs.
No.
Look how many of them there are. And one of them took it and ran.
And she went inside.
So the next thing that's in here, Capelin Pure Fish Treats for Dogs, full fish. And this is going to be chaos because look at them all. Look at this little one. Look at her. Look at her. She's like jumping.
And she's not just like merely jumping. She's like nag-uwigil pa yung ano niya eh.
Okay. I can't open this. I can't hold this, please.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to that.
Okay, so this is gonna be chaos because there's only.
Hey!
She's protected.
Tasha!
No, it's okay. She's pregnant. That's
Kinagat niya! Hey, ayun yung isa! Kinagat niya! Wow! Ano ba?
Okay.
Hey! Nakagat niya sa gilid, Peng!
Here, how do I do this? Is she okay?
Nakagat niya. No, she got bit on the side, Jason. Checked it.
It's okay.
Each one of you gets one. Each one of you gets one. Each one of you gets one. You don't want that?
Give the other one, the white one.
Where's the?
Right there.
No, she's got one.
No. He just got. Hey!
Hey! Here. And then the one that's under.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's only two
Oh,
left.
there's Tasha. Tasha got it. She's the one that.
Okay, who else is? There's two left.
Give
We'll just
Luke.
give the rest.
Look.
Who?
Look.
This one. She doesn't have it. This one.
This one.
This one?
No, kasi pag
That quickly, an entire bag of treats is completely gone. So next,
Pag may manika.
they're completely. The fish is completely gone. Oh, by the way, these are made in the United States. Actually, this says they're made in Iceland. So the next thing is this big toy. Hold on. This thing is this big toy. It's got like a thing in it. It's got a thing in it. I don't know. Oh, that's loud.
Alright,
hold on.
No. Yeah, kasi may
So,
ano ka pa eh.
I'm just pulling off all the tags. So they have this.
Don't give the toy.
Yeah.
Don't give the toy because Tasha is very protective with the toy.
Alright, so I'm not giving this toy, but that's the toy.
Buti siya. Pag may manikap sa kanya, nakarap.
Okay, the next thing we have in here is Oi. Alright, so there's only two things left.
Oh,
There's only two things left. I'm gonna pull them out of here and separately do this. So I apologize here. You can put that with the other trash.
Come here.
So the first thing we have is the original heavy gluten-free
that's a good boy.
Hound's peanut butter flavor relaxation square, a canine relaxation product.
Give that to that small one.
Let's see if it's effective.
That's the thing. We should give it to this little one right here because this little one is just going nuts. I'm gonna. Oi, you can't have that. That's gonna be in my pocket. Let's see if this works.
Let's see if it's a relaxation. See?
Oh?
Look at her. Oi,
Tata.
bully. Huh?
No.
Alright, so this is made in the United States. It's very clearly written on the back of it, made in the United States. I don't know if I can open this. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's like almost like a
Let's see if
cake.
it works. Relaxation. Huh?
Yeah.
So it looks like it's like a cake. It's like a cake. Where's the little one, huh?
Alright, I love that one.
Lucky!
Fuck.
That's what they call her. I'm not trying to sound bad or
No,
anything.
her name is Dark.
Dark?
Dark girl.
Dark girl? Oh, now she's
It's
dark
like a
girl.
superhero.
Hold on. Now you're all gonna be relaxed. Yeah, right.
No, very relaxing.
Did you even remember who did you give?
Nope, because they're all fighting over. Hey, the little black one.
Relaxation.
Yeah, it's not working.
Oh, give Lulu, give Lulu.
We need to send you more.
Give this,
Relaxation.
Give this. No.
I'm trying. They're all like fighting over it. Okay, you can have a little bit. Which one didn't I give?
Lulu didn't have. Give me one, give me.
Oh no.
Oi! I know you didn't have any. I know you didn't have any.
The white one.
Yeah,
Mabagal yun.
you can have some. There you go.
Hey,
Dapat
Pinter.
binigay niya maliit si Grace.
You can have some.
Gray, how about Gray? This one, the small one.
Yeah, she.
Kasi hindi siya nakakain kanina.
Here you
Yeah,
have
but
some.
he didn't get one because the one that you gave treat is
There you go.
took
Someone
it.
took it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, crumbs.
Ubus yan.
That's that.
No, don't give that to me. And then they're gonna attack me.
Yeah, put it in
Oh,
the
right here. Oh.
Put it in Let's go this one. Hey, oi.
Why not?
It's funny.
Lulu.
Alright, the last little one is
No.
a peanut butter and banana crunch with flaxseed all natural dog treat made in the United States. So that's the last thing. Poor Pepper and Ash aren't getting these, but that's okay because, well, we have tons of treats.
Yeah.
I still have a bar box to unboxing to do. I'm gonna do that when I get home with my pups.
Hindi mo talaga ang bag. Winter.
Okay, as this thing takes forever to unwrap. If you don't mind that.
Winter.
Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's break this up into 8 pieces.
Okay, give me. No, the one. Jason.
Gusto ko ako.
1,
1,
2.
2.
One more. 3. No, that's enough.
3, 4.
5, 6, 7.
Alright.
Oh, the small one. Give it to the small one.
Yeah, the one like the small piece.
Give this.
Tasha.
Wait.
Okay, I got that one, this one. So you need
The big one. Give to
This one,
give to
this
Luke,
one,
yeah, there. And
this
then-
one, and that one.
There you go.
That's all of them. Okay, so
This one should be the calming one.
that one should be the calming one, but it's not. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you liked my video. Hopefully you like the new location again. Again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget that like, subscribe.
Batayan mo isa
check out my other videos, as well as I'm going to be posting, like I said, a 360 video of this unboxing and some other before and after video. So hopefully you enjoy just seeing us playing with the dogs because it's chaos. And thank you for watching and take care.
Hey.